Hello friends, today we are going to print positive and a negative number is present in an array or not. So first of all we take a array for that int arr, that is -1 -2 0 1 2 3. So here we take our an array. After that what we will do, first of all we traverse that array. For that we apply a for loop in this int I starting with 0 and goes till arr dot length, and after that it will increase every time. So here's the basic of this. Now in this we apply a condition if what is arr of I is greater than 0, means is greater than or equal to, because 0 is also a positive number, so it will greater than or equals to 0, then system dot out dot print arr of I. Okay, we are printing that particular index number. After that, in else condition what we will do, we simply print system dot out dot print arr of I plus is negative number. Okay, in this if you want to add this, then here you can add int is positive number. Okay, only you want to apply this. After that you can come out with your loop. So here's the code for printing the positive and a negative element present in an array. Okay, so if you understand this code or learn more coding, so first of all like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.